So what I did is that I have like copy pasted, okay, these 4 things here. Okay, then I went to this cell where I need the data validation. Okay, means where I need the validation, means where I need this particular drop down list to come. Somewhere I need it, somewhere anywhere in this particular Excel sheet I need. So there is a place where I need it. So I need it under transaction. I need it under transaction. So what I'll do, are you getting my point? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Anisha? Yeah. So I need it here. My need may be anywhere, but these 4 data, I need it here under transaction. So what I'll do, I'll click. I'll just click on this particular cell. I'll go to data. I'll go to this data validation.
স্যার কোন সেলটা বললে?
মানে যেখানে আমি চাই, আমি যে ভ্যালিডেশনে যে ড্রপ ডাউন লিস্ট, আমি তো কোথাও তো চাই না যে কোনো একটা পার্টিকুলার সেলে তো আমার প্রয়োজন আছে যে এই সেলটাতে আমার ডেটা ভ্যালিডেশনের যে ড্রপ ডাউন লিস্টটা আমার এই পার্টিকুলার সেলে চাই। সো আমি কোথায় চাই? সেটা আমি চাই ট্রানজাকশনের আন্ডারে আসুক। সেটা আমি চাই কোথায় আসুক? ট্রানজাকশনের আন্ডারে আসুক। সো আমি ক্লিক করব এই সেলটাতে। সেটা আমি চাই কোথায়? আন্ডার ট্রানজাকশনস। সো আমি ক্লিক করলাম এখানে। দেন এখানে ক্লিক করার পর নেক্সট আই উইল মুভ টু ডেটা। Next move to data and data validation. I'll click on data validation. Then see এখানে অলরেডি সিলেক্ট করা আছে যেহেতু সেই জন্য আসছে। কোথায় যাবে? ড্রপ ডাউন লিস্টে যাবে, লিস্ট। লিস্টে গিয়ে সোর্সে ক্লিক করবে, করে which are the items that I need in my drop down list. So লিস্টে এই 4টে আইটেম আমার প্রয়োজন আছে। তো I will click on or I will drag and select these 4 items. So what I'll do, I will drag and select these 4 items. Okay, and then I'll click on OK. And then I'll click on OK. Where is it?
Yes, sir, done.
আচ্ছা এসছে এই সেটা ড্রপ ডাউনটা।
হ্যাঁ।
Okay, so that is that. After that, what you will do? After that, you will select here, and then you will drag it like that. You will drag it. Got it? You will drag it to the end of the table. Okay. So if you can see on the screen, I have put a few transactions. I will put a few more. Okay. I have put a few transactions. I'll put a few more. One is 2, then it's P1. I'll put reference P1. Okay, like any reference number I can give. That is completely my choice. Okay. So I'm putting the references. Now say I'm giving one more transaction. So on 4th of I'll give it at 15th of April, 15/04/2020. What I do, I get cash receipts. Say I get cash receipts, okay, from say R Limited. So I get cash because I have made a sale. So I'm giving it S3. So I'm having a sales of how much? So I'm having a sales of 50,000. So I change the formatting as well. I can show you again later on. Change the formatting. So then say on 30th of that same month, all of you do the transactions, okay? If you do the transactions, then we can see it in a nice way. So cash payments I have made to Ramkumar. Why I have made him? I have paid him a salary. Okay. So since it's a payment, I'm making it pay to P2. So salary I'm paying 10,000. Then again on 105 next month 2020, I have some bank receipts. Okay, I got it from ABC Limited because I have sold them goods. This is by sales. So since it is sales, I'll maintain S4. I made a sales of rupees say 20,000. And on again 05 2020, I made some bank payments. Okay, because I have purchased goods. I have purchased goods from say P Limited. I have purchased goods. Purchase P3. Purchase goods of say 5,000. Then again say on 15/05/2020. Okay, I got bank receipts. I got SBI receipts in the form of interest. Okay. I got SBI receipts in the form of, who is joining by the name of Sukanya Chakraborty. Like I said yesterday, okay, please mention by which name you are joining. Okay, otherwise it becomes difficult. Somebody is joining in other mail.
Sir, how can we drag down that button, sir, in the next row, sir?
So which one? Tell me again.
The transaction, that drop down button. How can we drag down in the next row? How can we do that?
Transaction. How can we drag to the next terms? I did not get your question. Tell me once again.
Yeah, 1 minute. Can I show my screen?
Yes,
sir,
yes,
if
you can. You can show. You can show.
Yeah. So this drop down, it's not coming in this row. This one.
Okay.
It's
You
not
select
coming
it. You select the first row.
Okay.
Click on the first row. Yes. Go to the corner. Lower right. Lower corner. Yes.
Yeah.
No, on that cell itself.
Okay.
Yeah. Go to the corner. Little bit left. Slightly. You'll see. No.
Yeah,
On the left corner. Yes.
Okay.
Got it. So
But okay.
now change it. Now
got
delete it.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Delete it, and then you can add your choice of.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay. So now you see, I'm giving interest. Description is say bank interest. And I'm again account type also. It is a bank interest. So do I have interest? Yes, I have interest. So I'm putting it. Say any reference since it is a receipt. And I'm putting it R1. So I'm getting bank receipts. Rupees 500. Okay, so these are some of the sample items that I have put up. Okay, so you can put up as per your choices. References are simple, any number you can give. So now we are going to apply the formula. Okay, so all of you quickly pass these entries.
Yes, sir. Can you wait for a minute, sir, if you don't mind?
Yes. All of you pass the entries. Once you are done, you tell me. Then I'm going to show you how we'll start with the accounting software. Sneha, can you hear me? Sneha, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Like your format is not right.
Hello.
Yeah, your format is not right. You see some of the things. The most important thing here is the date. Okay, look at the pattern of your date. Okay. So change the pattern.
হ্যাঁ স্যার, আমি এটা নিয়ে
Then
জিজ্ঞেস করবো ভেবেছিলাম।
acha, right click on that
স্যার
cell.
অ্যাকচুয়ালি আমি এখানে ডেটটা
Right click on the cell, and then you can go to cell format. সেল ফরম্যাটে যাবে, তারপর যাবে ডেটে। দেখাচ্ছি আমি, হ্যাঁ।
স্যার রাইট ক্লিক, তারপর
রাইট ক্লিক সেল, ফরম্যাট সেলস, ফরম্যাট সেলস এটা আসবে, দেন গো টু ডেট।
স্যার ক্যান ইউ রিপিট?
বলছি ফরম্যাট সেলে গেছো,
না
রাইট ক্লিক করার পর ফরম্যাট সেলে
স্ক্রিনটা
যাও।
অন ছিল না।
দেখতে পাচ্ছ তো স্ক্রিনটা? রাইট ক্লিক করার পর ফরম্যাট সেলে যাবে, ফরম্যাট সেল থেকে যাবে ডেট অপশনে। ওখানে ক্যাটাগরি আছে, ক্যাটাগরি অনেকগুলো আইটেম আছে, সেখানে তুমি চুজ করবে ডেট অপশনটা। দেখেছো ডেট? সেখানে দেখো বিভিন্ন ধরনের ফরম্যাট আছে ডেটের, সেখানে তুমি যে কোনো একটা ফরম্যাট চুজ করো। আমরা নিচ্ছি হলো প্রথমে ডেট, তারপর মান্থ, তারপর
হ্যাঁ স্যার,
ইয়ার।
অ্যাকচুয়ালি এরকমই টাইপ করেছিলাম, এন্টার মারার
ওটা
সাথে সাথে
হ্যাঁ,
এমন
ওখানে
হয়ে
হ্যাঁ
গেছে।
হ্যাঁ ফরম্যাটটা অন্য ফরম্যাটিং দেওয়া আছে ওখানে। তুমি এখানে দেখেছো আইটেমগুলো দেখেছো না, অনেকগুলো লিস্ট আছে, সেখান থেকে ওটা চুজ করো,
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
চুজ করো একটা, ক্লিক করো, ক্লিক করে ওটাতে ওকে করো।
স্যার বলছি ফরম্যাট
Sir,
সেলটা
shall we
কোথায় আছে
need
স্যার?
to fill the whole?
হ্যাঁ, কি বললে?
স্যার ফরম্যাট সেলটা কোথায়, আমি তো ওটাই দেখছি না।
রাইট ক্লিক করো সেলের উপরে, সেলটাকে সেলে ক্লিক করে রাইট ক্লিক করো, তাতে ড্রপ ডাউন লিস্ট একটা আসবে, সেখানে দেখবে। আমি দেখাচ্ছি হ্যাঁ কোথায় আসছে,
হ্যাঁ খুলেছে।
স্ক্রিনটা দেখো,
ওটা কি
পেয়েছো?
হ্যাঁ, তারপর যেটা হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
রাইট ক্লিক করে যাও ফরম্যাট সেলে,
পেয়েছি। তা
গিয়ে
এখন
এখানে
ওটা
ডেট,
সিলেক্ট
হ্যাঁ
করেছি।
ডেট, ডেটে ওখানে পারফেক্ট যেটা ক্যাটাগরি ওটা সিলেক্ট করো,
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
সিলেক্ট করে ওকে করো। দেখবে স্যাম্পলটা দেখতে পারবে ওখানে।
হ্যাঁ, হয়ে গেছে।
হয়েছে? চেঞ্জ হয়েছে প্যাটার্নটা?
স্যার এটা কিন্তু ফার্স্টে 2020 এসে পড়েছে আমার।
তুমি এখন ওটা সিলেক্ট করেছো তার মানে। ঠিক আছে, যাই হোক, ওখান থেকে নিয়েছো তো হয়ে যাবে, কোনো প্রবলেম নেই।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
ঠিক আছে, হবে। আর কার কি প্রশ্ন ছিল?
Sir, shall we need to fill the whole table, sir? Is it necessary?
Like all these items that I have written here,
Yeah, the exact.
do it exactly only.
Okay, the exact thing which you wrote.
Yeah,
over-
the exact one as I wrote.
Oh,
Do not change, make
okay.
any change.
Okay.
Sir, done.
Done. Okay. And the rest of you, are you done? Can I proceed?
No, sir, not yet.
Done. Yes, tell me.
After 19,
I cannot hear you. Your voice is not coming clearly.
sir, am I audible to you?
You are audible, but I'm not able to hear you clearly.
Actually, I said that after 19, is there anything else also?
Is there what?
Like at 19, is it over, or we have something else also? Can you please drag it
Say a little
down?
bit louder.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
when I said after 19, is there
Anything else also?
Wait.
Sir, 19 এর পরে আরো আছে?
19 এর পর আর নেই. That's the end.
Till
Okay,
till
yes, you will add more. You will add later on. After we create the formula, then you will add. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then I am proceeding with it. Okay. So all of you follow me. All of you follow me, even if it is not ready yet. So you follow me, then it will be done accordingly. All of you follow very minutely. So what is my purpose? Can you tell me what is my purpose? So we will first of all deal with this cash summary thing. I want to know directly what is my cash balance. I have had so many transactions. I need to know my cash balance instantly, that on 15th of May, what is my cash balance and what is my bank balance. So my purpose is that to create a system, to create a software which is going to give me my balance on a daily basis, that I do not need to calculate every day. Rather, I get the information instantly. So that is my purpose. So now how do I do that? Okay, see. So today I'll show you here how to apply an accounting formula, that is sum ifs. Okay, so it is a very popular formula, and this is specifically used in accounting purposes. Other purposes also it is used. In accounting it is used very widely. So sum ifs means when we are going to include certain criteria, multiple criteria. So in those cases we use that formula. So what I do first is that the screen is visible to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I first of all give is equal to, then I press sum ifs. Okay, SUMIFS, sum ifs. Then I press the open bracket. What I give the open bracket. Okay, next is what? So I need what? I need the sum of these amounts. What I need the sum of these amounts. So what I do, I select all these cells because I need the sum of this amount. Okay, so I select it. Now, see, so it is there here, sum is F12 to F19. Then my next task is what? I will lock it. So now for locking this particular column, okay, the selected range, what I will do, I have to press F4. I have to press what? I have to press F4. See, I'm showing again. Sum ifs. Then I have opened the bracket. I have selected this entire row. I mean entire column, this column, all these values. Then I have pressed F4. And when I press F4, see what it came. Can you see on the screen? Dollar sign has come, and this is the series. Now what I do, it is showing F12 to F19. That means this particular selected series, F12 to F19. But I will edit it, and I will make it up to say 400. Why? So that it goes downwards. If we keep on adding more and more figures, if we keep on adding more and more amounts, that is also counted. So we have included the first criteria, that is we need the sum. We need the sum of cash receipts. Okay, all cash receipts that is here. But here in this amount, we do not just have the cash receipts, we have many other things. So we'll have to what? We have shown the sum range. Then we'll have to show the criteria, like under which categories we have to choose. So I'll first of all select this. I'll press F4. I will lock it. Then I'll again give a comma, and then I will come to this because I need it transaction wise. So if B12 to B19 I have selected.
Sir,
Yes.
Sir, I am facing one problem.
Tell me.
Sir, I didn't understand. After locking it, then what to do?
Comma. You give a comma, then select the. It will be done on the basis of what? On the basis of transactions, right? Receipts and payments, cash receipts, bank receipts. So you'll select that particular range.
No, sir. Actually, you have given 400 now.
Why I have given 400? That is the question.
No, sir. Actually, I can't give 400 on this.
No, you click here. You click on the formula bar. Then give backspace and then 19 you make it. See, I'm doing it for the next one. See here I am first of all locking it. I have locked it. Okay. Then I do what? It is 19, showing 19. I delete 19. I make it 400. Could you follow?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, do it like that.
How do we need to lock, sir? We need to
F4.
press F4.
F4. Yes.
Okay. After I drag it.
Yeah. After you select the range.
Yeah, I've done that. And after that?
Then you give the comma. That's done. Then go to the next thing. I want the sum of this amount for the transaction. So I've selected the transactions.
Sir, it's not done, sir. After I pressed this F4 button.
It's not done. Then press Fn, F4 together.
Fn and F4. F1 or F4?
No, Fn and F4. If F4 is not working,
okay.
Your laptop is probably on entertainment mode. Okay, so the formulas will work a little bit in a different way. So Fn, F4.
Fn, F4. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Done. Yeah. And after that, I need to drag that
Transaction.
SBI receipt.
Yeah, transaction column.
Yeah.
Done.
Okay. Again, I need to lock it up.
Yes, again lock it up.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Okay. So then my next task is what? I need this particular value where I need it in cash receipts here. So I'll click this one on cash receipt because I need this particular total in under cash receipt. So I'll click. Yeah, tell me.
So after comma, what to do?
After comma, go to the transaction part.
Okay, sir. Gone.
Okay. Then again, drag it. Then make it 400 and then lock it.
Yeah. After locking it, sir, then what?
Again, give a comma.
Again. Comma.
Then go to the cash receipt part.
Comma. Okay. Comma. Cash receipt. Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah.
So then that is E4. Then again give comma.
E4.
Then that cell is cash receipt cell is E4, right? Or whatever is it is in your laptop. Okay, you just click the cash receipt cell. Wherever it is
Oh.
written cash receipt, select that cell.
अरे,
Is it fine? Could you do?
Sir,
Yes,
the
tell
rest
me.
part, that also we need to lock.
Which one?
The
Cash
red
receipt. No.
The transaction part, do we need
Yes,
to
yes,
lock
yes,
that?
yes. Transaction part you have to lock.
Okay, sir.
Yes,
sir,
tell me.
if you, sir,
Sir,
if you do, okay. Yeah, go on.
Got it. Okay. Yes, tell me. Who is stuck next?
sir, the dollar sign isn't coming.
Press F4. Press F4. Did it come?
No.
Then press Fn F4 together. Fn you will find beside control key. Got it? Fn key? Fn and F4 together.
Yes, sir, done.
Got it? No? Okay, good. So after cash receipts, what I will do? See, now I do not just need this. Okay, I need more than that. Okay, I need what? I need more than that. What do I need more? I need my transactions to be reflected on the basis of the date for the period I select. I need my transactions on the basis of my date. Okay, so see what I can do here. I can stop here. What it is coming? Cash receipts it is coming, isn't it? Got it?
So what is happening?
Just tell me what is happening. Look at it and tell me. Can you find out what is happening here?
Yes,
What is
the
happening?
total amount is been calculated
Full amount is being
and shown on the cash receipt and payment and as well.
shown on the cash receipts and cash payments. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this minor some issues happening with my.
So after
Okay, fine. Tell me.
selecting cash receipt, do we need to press enter?
After what? Yes, yes. After that, after you do click on the formula, you press enter.
So after cash received, I've gotten that 10,000.
Hmm.
After that, what do we need to do?
Wait. After that, you have got 10,000.
Yeah.
Then you copy
yeah.
paste or drag it like that.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes, tell
I'm
me.
facing a
Hello,
problem.
sir.
Yes,
So it's showing value.
it's showing value means you have put the wrong formula.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
It's
your
shown on
formula is wrong.
my one also.
Your formula
Right.
is wrong. And let me tell you, you have to put the formula very carefully. What I have shown you is only half the formula. Okay, this formula will be double of this size. So be sure here you have correctly put the formula. So I'm showing you the formula once again. Can you see the formula?
Mm-hmm.
Hmm?
Yeah.
No, sir.
See. Some ifs. Then I have dragged this part, I have locked it. I've given a comma. I have dragged these transactions and I've locked it. I've given a comma. And I have then clicked on cash receipts. Means where I need this particular value. Where I need this particular value. Okay. Check it.
Sir, if you don't mind, can I share my screen? Can you help
Yes,
me on
yes,
that?
definitely you can share. Check the formula, all of you, on the formula bar. Okay.
Sir, is it okay now? Is it showing, sir?
I know. Just a minute. Okay, it's coming value. Why
Hello,
you are
sir?
doing it in cash payments? Just a moment, Sneha. Okay. Click on that particular thing. Yes, let me check the formula. You have not locked it. Look at the first one. You have not locked it.
This one.
Yeah, delete the formula completely. Click on the cell, delete. No. Click on the cell, delete. Yes. Click on 10,000 and delete.
Okay, again 10,000.
Oh, this is wrong. Delete it. Press delete. Press delete. Come to the lower call cell. Press delete. Delete both of them.
Sir,
Delete it first. Click on the press the delete button. Yes. I mean delete it. Not just give here. Delete.
yeah,
Yes.
done.
Okay. Now click on there. Okay. Now right. Is equal to
Yeah, is equal to.
sum ifs. Okay.
Yeah.
Now
Mhm.
select the range. Yes. Now press Fn F4.
Mm.
Yes. Now go and click on the formula bar. Yes. Make this one 500 or 400.
I will.
Whatever.
Mhm.
Give a comma. Okay. Now press the transaction bar. I mean select yeah. Okay. Now Fn F4.
Oh, okay. And FNF4.
Fn F4.
Okay, okay.
See, it is wrong. You have seen that the first one B13 is not locked. Delete it. This part.
Again.
Yes. Press backspace. Only B. Okay. Yes. Now select
Yeah.
again.
Okay.
Now select the transactions again.
Mm.
Yes. Now again Fn F4.
F4.
Okay. Done.
Yeah.
Now
Yeah.
make it 400.
Mhm.
Okay. Comma.
Mhm. Comma.
Comma. Now where you need the value?
Here.
Cash receipt. Click on cash receipt.
Yeah.
Yes. Close the bracket. Enter.
And then enter.
Got it?
Yeah. Okay. 1 minute.
Now drag it down.
Oh. Okay.
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 Now
Okay.
now do that for receipt also. SBI receipts. Copy paste. Copy. Click on 20,000.
Okay.
Click on
Mm.
20,000. Control C. No. Just click on 20,000. Control C.
Mm-hmm.
Now come to SBI receipts. Control V. Okay. Payments. Control V.
Okay. Oh.
No.
Mhm.
It is not copied. Again. Click on SBI receipts. No, SBI payments is not there. Control V. Control C. Control V.
Yeah. Done.
Yes. Done. No, there is no SBI payment.
Mm-hmm.
No payment. Okay, fine. That's done. Got it?
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
And the rest of you, Sneha, tell me, what is it?
স্যার ফর্মুলাটা তো পুরো কমপ্লিট করে টাইপ করলাম, তারপরে কি
আসলো?
জাস্ট সিম্পলি এন্টার মেরে
হ্যাঁ,
দিলেই অ্যামাউন্টটা হয়ে যাবে?
হ্যাঁ। এসছে?
না তো।
এই SBI পেমেন্ট আছে তো 5,000। নিহাল তোমার কেন
না
আসলো
না
না?
আমি ক্যাশ
না
রিসিপ্টের
স্নেহা এক মিনিট দাঁড়াও। নিহাল চেক করো, তোমারটা কিছু ভুল হয়েছে। SBI পেমেন্টস 5,000 আছে। ঠিক আছে, স্নেহা বলো। কি হয়েছে?
স্যার আমি ক্যাশ রিসিপ্টটাতেই ছিলাম একদম ফার্স্টেটাতে।
হ্যাঁ, এসছে, অ্যামাউন্টটা এসছে 10,000।
না তো।
কি আসছে?
0
জিরো কেন আসবে? দেখি শো করো।
কি
ফর্মুলা ভুল লেগেছে।
স্যার আবার করতে
আবার নতুন করে ফর্মুলা লাগাও।
Sir, is there something wrong about with me?
Yes, obviously. See, SBI payments is 5,000. So why it came 0 in your case? তুমি কপি পেস্ট করো আবার ঠিক করে।
Select
Okay,
that
this the same process which you showed.
Yes, copy paste it again. বলো। Okay, tell me who else is done? Rohit, why have you joined so late today? Yes, Rohit, can you hear me? Okay, tell me if you have applied the formula successfully.
So in my case, it's
টাইপ
not
করার
showing.
পর তো ব্র্যাকেট ক্লোজ করতে হবে।
হ্যাঁ, bracket close, enter.
So in my case, it's not being done. So I don't know why.
Did you make that entry 5th of May SBI payment?
1 minute. 5th of May. Cash payment. I've done cash
You
payment.
made cash payment, oh that is why.
So what should I
Edit
do?
it.
ব্যাক ক্যামেরাটা অন করব।
Edit it.
Okay.
হ্যাঁ, করো।
Shall I make it SBI
Yes,
payment?
SBI payments, yeah.
Okay, done. Yeah, done. Now it's done. Thank you.
Yes, Neha, show me.
ক্যামেরা কেন ইস্যু হয় না? তো
Devabroto, Anisha, Shonak, Deboshi,
Yes, sir.
Meenakshi, Rohit, is it happening? Is it okay? Could you do it?
Sir,
Yeah.
Sir, the amount is coming different.
And then check it properly. It should come like that. Okay.
sir,
Yes, Sneha, where are you? Shonak, you have something?
যে লাস্টে যে $400 এর
ক্যামেরাতে
পরে
কিছু
কি
প্রবলেম
1
দিচ্ছে
না
স্যার।
L?
L কি?
$400 এর পরে যে
কমা
ফর্মুলাটাতে
E4 ওটা মানে ক্যাশ রিসিপ্ট যে সেলটাতে লিখেছো সেই সেলটাতে ক্লিক করবে।
না মানে 400 এর পরে একটা 1 I না কি ওটা 4 এর আগে
কমা E4 E4 মানে হচ্ছে যেই সেলটাতে আমি ক্যাশ রিসিপ্ট লেখা আছে সেই সেলটাতে সিলেক্ট করেছি।
হ্যালো স্যার।
বলো।
স্যার আমি হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে সেন্ড করেছি পিকচার। স্যার এখানে ক্যামেরাটা অন করতে একটু প্রবলেম হচ্ছে। ক্যামেরাটা অন করেছি বাট অন হচ্ছে না।
হ্যাঁ, এন্টার করো।
Can I show?
Yes, just one moment. Sneha, press enter.
স্যার আবার 0 আসছে স্যার। স্যার ফর্মুলাটা তো ঠিকই বসালাম। স্যার অ্যামাউন্টে কোনো গন্ডগোল হচ্ছে?
দেখছি। ডিলিট করে আবার করো তো। আচ্ছা বলো
আমি
কে?
বলছি হ্যাঁ স্যার
হ্যাঁ,
যে
বলো।
কি লিখছি। স্যার ফার্স্টে ইকুয়ালস টু দেন সাম ইফস
হুম
দেন ওপেন ব্র্যাকেট
হুম
পুরো অ্যামাউন্টের রোটা সিলেক্ট করলাম।
হ্যাঁ
দেন FN F4 দিয়ে লক করলাম।
হুম
তারপর 400 করি ওটাকে।
হ্যাঁ
দেন
কমা
তারপর ট্রানজ্যাকশনের পুরো রোটা সিলেক্ট করলাম।
হুম
ওটাকেও FN F4 দিয়ে লক করলাম।
হুম
আবার ওটাকে 400 করলাম।
হুম
দেন अगेन কমা
হুম
দেন E4
ক্যাশ না E4
তারপর
নট মানে যেখানে ক্যাশ রিসিপ্ট লেখা আছে সেই ক্যাশ রিসিপ্টের সেলটাকে সিলেক্ট করো।
G4
তোমারটা অন্য কিছু হতে
ওকে
পারে,
ওকে
ঠিক আছে? যেখানে ক্যাশ রিসিপ্ট লেখা আছে
আমি ভেবেছি
সেই ক্যাশ রিসিপ্টের সেলটাকে,
আমি
সেই
ভেবেছি
জন্য আমি
formula র
বলেছিলাম,
মধ্যেই আছে নাকি
আমি একদম প্রথমেই যে ডু নট চেঞ্জ দ্য প্যাটার্ন, মানে আমি যেখানে যেই সেলে যেটা রেখেছি সেটা রাখলে চেকটা করতে সুবিধা হয়। এসছে এখন?
ওকে ওকে ওকে
এসছে?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
এসছে না? ঠিক আছে, এখন ড্র্যাগ করে নাও। আচ্ছা, ইয়েস, টেল মি হু এলস ইজ হ্যাভিং ইস্যুস। এখন আমরা বাকিরা পেরেছো কি? লাইক এনিওয়ান হ্যাভিং এনি কনফিউশন হিয়ার এগেন?
স্যার বাকি অ্যামাউন্ট গুলো যে বসিয়েছো ওটা কি অটোমেটিক এসছে নাকি
No, sir.
কিছু করতে হয়েছে
Automatic
ওটাতে?
copy paste, okay, copy paste into all the other cells.
Sir, I have one last problem.
Tell me.
Sir, আমার মানে অ্যামাউন্ট পার্টের মধ্যে না 0.00 আসছিল উপরে না
আসছে না কি?
না এসেছে স্যার, যেটা ক্যাশ সামারিতে আসতে লাগে ওটা আমার অ্যামাউন্টে এসে গেছে 0.00।
ওটা তো ফরম্যাটিং, ইউ ক্যান চেঞ্জ দ্য ফরম্যাট, ক্লিক অন দ্য সেলস, রাইট ক্লিক, গো টু নাম্বার, মানে গো টু সেল ফর ফরম্যাট সেলস, দেন ক্লিক অন নাম্বার। ওটা কোনো ব্যাপার না।
নাম্বারে গিয়ে
নাম্বারে গিয়ে ওখানে তুমি যে জিরো নিড জিরোস, ডু নট নিড জিরোস, ওগুলো অপশনস গুলো সিলেক্ট করো ঠিক মতো।
স্যার আসছেই না।
দেখাচ্ছি এভাবে, আমারটাতে জিরো আছে তো আমি জিরো চাই না, আমি রাইট ক্লিক করলাম, ফরম্যাট সেলসে গেলাম, নাম্বারসে ডেসিমেল প্লেস আমার চাই না, জিরো করে দিলাম, সেপারেটরও চাই না, উঠিয়ে দিলাম, ওকে করলাম, চলে গেছে, ঠিক আছে? আচ্ছা,
Sir?
সো লেটস
Sir, done.
done. Okay, very good. So anyone else having any issue?
No, sir.
Okay, then I'll proceed. So let's now validate. This particular software, how it's working. So I'm again putting an entry on 20/05/2020. So I'm making what? Say SBI payments. I'm making to P Limited. Okay, I'm making because of purchases. Okay, so it will be P4. I'm making 10,000. Okay, I'm making how much? 10,000. Now see, are your balance changing? Check it out. Are your balance changing? Quickly check out the software if it's working or not.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now what you will do, you will include in cash balance. In cash balance you will go. Okay, you'll go to cash balance because I need the balance in both the cases. So what I'll go to balance, cash balance. I'll press is equal to. I'll select this cell minus. Be able to follow. Minus payments. Receipts minus payments becomes my balance. So see, I have a cash balance, negative balance of rupees 5,000.
Sir, can you
Sir,
repeat
can
it
you
again?
repeat?
Okay, I'm showing you the bank balance. Is equal to, what is the balance? Balance is always what? Receipts minus payments. So is equal to this cell. I will select this minus then this cell. Enter. I get the balance.
This cell,
Got it?
5,000 done. Equal to, yes, minus this, done. Yeah.
So now say again, I have a transaction on 25/05/2020. I have a cash receipt. Okay, from ABC Limited because I have sold them goods. I've sold them goods. Okay.
So it's not coming.
So what is not coming?
So the cash balance formula.
Okay, just a moment. So I'm making sales. Okay, I'm making sales. I'm making sales of say 20,000. Sales. Sorry, became 2,000. I'm making 20,000. See, my cash balance has changed. My cash balance has changed. Okay. So see how it is done. Is equal to this cell minus this cell. As simple as that. You'll press is equal to this cell minus this cell. Okay, I'm showing again. Is equal to, first you will give is equal to, okay, wait. You'll do is equal to this cell, then press minus this cell. Okay. Zoom in, zoom ratio is.
Sir, it's not happening.
Bolo, what is coming?
Sir, I have pressed is equal to, but when I just click on the cash receipt amount, it is not selecting the amount actually.
Okay, show me, present your screen.
Yes, sir. So can you see?
It is coming blurred.
So one. So now is it visible to you?
Keep the camera stable, it is coming blurred. Yes, yes, now it's perfect. Okay, now do it, is equal to, then click on that cell. Here is equal to, no, formula is not applied. Okay, delete. Click on cash balance cell. Delete it. Press delete. Then again, put the formula again freshly.
Sir, do I need to?
Yes, now press is equal to.
After that?
Press is equal to.
Yes, sir.
And we press, then click on that cell. Cash receipts, yes. Click on here. Okay.
Okay.
Is it coming? Minus.
After that, sir.
Got it? Enter.
This one, sir. Yes.
Enter.
Yes, sir.
Just come.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Okay, tell me, could you all do it? Then pass one more entry and check it if your software is working properly. Yes, all of you do it and confirm me whether your software is working properly or not.
So shall we do it another one?
Huh?
Shall we do
Yes,
it another
yes,
one?
yeah, do another one.
Okay.
Let's do the same thing. Okay, so I'm also doing. So let's do on 02 06 2020. Okay, so what I did, I made cash payments. So I made cash payments to XYZ company. So I made this payment for advertisement. Okay, so I'm making it A1. I'm paying say 5,000. See, it's working or not. My cash balance was 15,000. Now it came to how much? 10,000. Yes, tell me, are you able to do it?
Yes, sir. Done.
Done. Good. And the rest of you respond and let me know.
Yeah, done.
Done. Okay. So your software is working perfectly, right?
I guess so.
Okay, that's good. Now try to do the same with regard to summary statement. Try to apply the same with regard to summary statement. Let me see if we can do or not. Now we need the amount in summary statement also or not. We have sales expend amount, we have purchase amount, we have interest amount, then we have salary amount, we have advertisement amount. So all these amounts needs to be reflected in the summary statement or not. Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So try to apply that. Let me see who can do. And those who are stuck in this particular thing, you ask me again.
So, sir,
Yes, tell me.
sir, actually I got disconnected. I didn't get your question. So
Yeah,
what?
I said do it for this summary statement. We
Okay,
have
sir.
expenses
I'm
of
doing.
sales, purchases, no? So
Yes,
do
sir.
it.
I'm doing.
Yeah. Yes. So tell me, could you do how much it is done?
No,
Sneha,
sir.
Anisha, Deboshi, Minakshi, Rohit, and Shonak. Tell me what is your status?
I didn't able to do so.
হ্যাঁ
Huh?
স্যার করছি স্যার হয়ে
করছো?
যাবে মানে স্যার করছি
আচ্ছা,
স্যার
ঠিক আছে করো।
স্যার
Sir,
হচ্ছে
on
মানে
the
সেম প্রসেসেই তো করবো
হ্যাঁ
সব
হ্যাঁ সেম প্রসেসই করবে সব না। Remember here we are selecting the accounts type.
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ না মানে ওইটাই বললাম আর কি
Sir, I need to
Yes.
ask you one thing.
It's
Sir, in your cash balance,
hmm.
where it's 10,000, it's been written over there.
Hmm.
In my Excel sheet, there is one green color. There is
Yes.
one mark is there.
Click on that. There is an arrow sign beside
Yeah,
it. Okay, click on
yeah.
that arrow sign.
Okay.
Then there is an option ignore.
Ignore error.
Yes. Click on that.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Is it gone?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Thank you.
So tell me if you are done or should I show you?
Sir, show.
হচ্ছে না, এক্সপেন্সটা পাচ্ছ না, ওটা হয়েছে কিনা, ক্যাশ সামারিটা হয়েছে কিনা,
হ্যাঁ স্যার, আগেরগুলো সব হয়ে গেছে।
হয়ে গেছে, এটা পাচ্ছ না এক্সপেন্সটা। Okay, see. So what I will do again, same. I need it in sales, right? Where do I need it? I need it in sales, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
So what I will do is equal to sum ifs open bracket. I need this total.
Sir, I did.
You got it? Very good.
Yes, sir. Sir, can I? Sir, I was
Okay.
just facing one problem.
Okay, let's see. I'm doing it. Okay. So I've selected this one.
No, sir, I
Selected.
got the answer, but I have one
Okay.
issue.
Check it. Okay. So this issue may be solved when you check it. So this is done. I've selected this entire row. Then Fn F4 or simply F4. You get it? Comma. Now you want it for which range? You want it for this accounts type. Okay. Again Fn F4 or simply F4. Now see what I've done. I have made it 22 only, so I'll make it 400. Here also I'll make it 400. Okay, give a comma. Then I need it in which cell? In this cell. Cells. How much it came? 1,05,000 is the amount of sales. 1,05,000 is the amount of sales. What I do? I select, copy, and I paste it here. And I select and I drag it down. So see, at this particular moment, my sales is 1,05,000. My purchases is 20,000. My advertisement cost is 5,000, and my salary is 10,000, and the interest expense is 500. Interest is 500. Did you get it? Now see, I also need my income. I also need my expense, right? Total income, total expense. This income is only my sales. Since I have only one item here, I can add more. But as of now, I just have one item, so I select like that. So this 1,05,000 will come here. But in expense, what I have to add all these. I will have to add all these. Okay. So my expense is this is how much? 35,500. I click on here and I do ignore error. So see, so whenever any item change, my total expense and my total income will also change simultaneously. So I have the summary statement, okay, of different accounts. I have the cash summary also.
Sir,
Now
Sir,
tell me.
can you please repeat the
Which
income and sir, the income and expense part? Means how? What is the formula for that?
This one. So what I have
Yes,
done
sir.
simply, I have selected is equal to, I have pressed on this particular cell. And in expenses, I have done is equal to sum. Then I have selected this entire range. And close bracket. Done.
sir, I didn't got that sales part. Sir, can I share my screen, sir?
Yeah.
Can you help me out?
Yes. Share it.
So yeah, is it showing, sir?
No. You don't need to do. Oh, acha. Oh, you could not apply that say sum save.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. After 400, give a comma.
Yeah. Comma.
Comma. Then click on cells. Yes. Close bracket.
Oh. Okay.
Means where you need the value. You need the value somewhere, isn't it? Enter.
Okay. And after that,
Okay.
sir,
Now.
is
No. Wait. Now,
Okay.
as I say, you do like that. Yes. Now, Control C. Come to purchases,
Purchase.
Control V. Got it? 30,000. Now click select purchases and drag down to interest. Yes, now drag it to interest. Drag it up to interest. I mean, not. Oh, you have interest twice. Why? Okay, fine. Now go to income. Income means total of all revenues. Okay. So income you press is equal to
Is equal to, yeah.
is equal to income is equal to sales. Click on sales. I mean, yes. Enter. So whatever is your sales will be your income. Now click on expenses.
Mhm.
Your expenses is equal to
Mhm.
sum. Now sum can double click on it. Now select the range from purchases to no, not yes, here. Yes. Select all. Yes. Now close bracket, enter.
So
Okay.
is it done, sir?
Yes, it is done.
Okay.
Now click on that arrow beside it. Yes, error will go.
Sir, yeah,
Click
I
on the
did,
arrow,
sir.
yes.
Okay, but
Click
how
here.
did it happen, sir? That's why I
Click here.
didn't
Ignore
understand.
error. Yes. Tell me what.
So why I have done this? I didn't understood why
Why? Which one?
this income part.
Because
And
your income and expense. Whenever you need to know. Okay.
Mhm.
Your final profit. How will you find the profit? You will have to deduct what? Income minus expense, isn't it?
Okay.
So don't you need your total income? And don't you need a total expense? You need it, isn't it?
Mhm.
So this is how you find total income and then minus total expenses. So that you can get your profit at any moment.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. Sir, I might have few doubt. Can I, if
Yes.
I might have any problem, can I call you or can I message you?
Yes, you text me. Okay.
Yeah.
Whenever I am free, I will tell you at the time. Okay. That
Okay.
time you can talk to me.
Okay.
Okay. Stop
Because
presentation.
I might have problem in this part.
Stop the presentation.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Anybody else having any issues? Or it is done for all of you?
Sir, I am
Yes.
getting issue only on the income part. Rest
What
I
issue?
have done the expense.
What issue you are getting?
Sir, I have clicked the formula. I mean, I have applied the formula is equal to, then I have clicked on sales amount,
Enter.
the amount part.
Sales amount, then enter.
So then enter now.
How much it is coming?
Oh yes, sir. Now it came. Thank you, sir. Sorry, sir.
No, there is nothing to be sorry. You are here to learn only, isn't it? And
Yes,
I'm
sir.
here to teach you. So there is no issues of that kind.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so tell me the rest of you, Sneha, Anisha, Deboshi.
স্যার অ্যাকচুয়ালি আমার ল্যাপটপের না চার্জটা পুরো গেছে,
কোনো
তো
চার্জার
আমি
নেই?
চার্জে বসে স্যার মানে
অফই হয়ে
আমার
গেছে।
বোর্ডটা একটু হ্যাঁ হয়ে গেছে, তো চার্জে লাগিয়েছি আর কি।
Anisha, could you do?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So once you learn this, Anisha, you can approach the retailers nearby in your locality, okay, and tell them that if you need your accounts to be prepared, give it to me. Pay me every month. I will prepare your accounts. You heard me, Anisha? What I said?
Nice idea, sir.
Yes. So once you learn it, you approach them. Tell them like that. Then your pocket money will come. Not just pocket money, you'll get even more than your pocket money, much more than your pocket money. Okay, anyway, so nobody has any confusion. If nobody has any confusion, I will stop here, because next what I'm going to show you is that I will show you more things into this particular software. I need you to be fast. Okay, so you are going slow, so you have to be fast because this software has more to serve you. Okay, what kind of other services it will give you? Now see, now you are simply you are getting your cash summary, you are getting your account summary. So it may happen that you need the summary date wise, means for the month of April, for the month of May, for the month of June. So now for date wise summary and date wise report, this is not yet ready. Okay, for the date wise summary and date wise report, it is not yet ready. So we'll have to work on this software again to make it ready for date wise, okay, and or month wise summary report and cash summary. So we will continue that in the upcoming sessions. So in the meantime, I want you all to practice it, okay, time and again.
Sir, I might be having some problem. Okay, so I will text you on it in your phones in your
What problem?
sir, in this